Radio and TV comedian Merrick loves barbecue so much that he has 3. He's going to use 2 of them to make a beautiful beef sandwich.
Today, I'm going to make a French dip, and it's going to go with Côte de boeuf, which is a French way of saying beef. Georgie, because it's your birthday, I'm going to cook you a very special lunch, and I'm going to start with some Côte de boeuf from Victor Churchill.
Say again.
Côte de boeuf.
Boeuf?
Boeuf.
Boeuf?
Boeuf.
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 Okay.
I am buff, thank you.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Oh
Look
my
at that.
God, dinosaur cow.
Isn't that great? It's going to be steak, but I'm going to do it a little bit differently. I'm going to reverse sear it by cooking it first low and slow, and then I'm going to sear it at the end and hold all the juices in it, and then I'm going to slice it up and I'm going to put it in my mouth, and it's going to be delicious. All right, so the beef is now on slow cook.
Okay.
I'm going to make the sauce, preparation, dipping sauce. So I'll put on butter.
Oh, that butter smells good.
How good. Wait till this gets going. Bit of onion in there.
No garlic.
No garlic, just
butter,
onion.
no garlic.
Nah. Right,
Is there any better smell than butter and onions?
I think Georgie's going to love this dish. She loves Côte de boeuf. She probably prefers if I pronounce it correctly, but whatever. But she does love it when I cook for her, so I'm really excited to see her face.
If we're doing this the way they do at Continental Deli, that's, yeah? So I think you cut it there and then across like that, but...
Get rid of that knobbly bit?
Yeah, but keep it for Kinga because she likes to eat it. It hurts my mouth.
When I've got the temperature right and it feels right, I will then move it over to the hot coals on the Komodo. So today I'll only be using 2 of my 3 or 4 barbecues, just because I don't want to show off. Look at that. Yeah, get on me. Look at that, though. Look at me first and then look at that. That is outstanding. I'm just searing off a little bit of that fat just to crisp it up a bit because I know that Georgie loves the fatty part of the steak. Put it in there. All right, let's go. Oh, look at that.
Ooh.
Yes, nailed it. Very happy with that.
Yum.
Nice and tender and great meat. The onions have thickened it, there's no doubt about that. But I kind of think that what we might do, George, is get a little spoon.
I'm still going to dunk it.
A few of those each because they are red hot. So that one's mine?
That's yours.
All right. I am going to put mine on top of it like that. It looks great, doesn't it? Oh my God, I'm salivating like the dog is. Like the dog, I've gone full Pavlovian. A little bit of wine.
I do like this one.
You love this one.
Yeah. All right, I need to get stuck into this now. I'm really hungry.
You're going to dip. You're going to dip in like you said.
Oh, I did dip and it's soaked in and I'm going to dip again.
Yep, great. I'm going to just eat
And now, yeah.
Georgie, is this the best dish that you have ever eaten?
You cooked the steak perfectly. It's seriously restaurant. It helps that the cut was really
No, you
like
were about
premium.
you were about to say it's restaurant quality, and then you made out like it was the meat's job.
The meat is very good.
It is very good.
And then it was cooked really well.
By somebody who is restaurant quality.
Mad skills. You got mad skills. It's pretty good. Is it the best?
It is the best. Excellent. Chin chin. Happy birthday, darling.
Thank you. Thanks for cooking me a yummy meal.
No, you're welcome. There's nothing.